Hey everyone, Anthony from DataCrunch here with another computer tip of the day. So, as the title suggests, have you guys ever wondered if there was one video media player that can play any format? With iTunes and QuickTime, you're limited to their formats, as in, I believe, MP4s and certain video formats. And on the other hand, with Windows Media Player, you're limited to certain formats as well. It doesn't allow you to play all formats. One especially that I don't think either of them let you play are .mkv files. And those are a kind of common video format nowadays. If you're downloading videos online or whatever, you might run into that format, and neither media player will play that. So there is a media player called VLC media player. V is in Victor, L is in Laura, C is in cat media player. Its logo is it looks like a traffic cone, like a construction traffic cone. And it is by far the best media player out there, in my opinion. What VLC does that I love so much is you don't have to worry about any format. It just opens it up and plays it. DVDs, Blu-rays, MKVs, MP4s, .movs, any format, it just opens and plays amazingly. And what is even more awesome about VLC is, have you ever downloaded a video or taken a video yourself and put it on the computer and realized that the audio was just too low? You have it at 100%, you can hear it, but if anyone's talking in the room or if there's a fan on or an AC on, good luck trying to hear it. Even at 100% volume, your computer 100% volume. Well, what's awesome about VLC is you can actually not only play something at 100% volume, which you should be able to do, you can up that to 200% or 150. You could go above 100% volume and it amplifies the audio for you, which is really awesome. There's been a lot of times where I've recorded something or downloaded something and the audio just is too low. With VLC, you can pump that up, listen to your video, and not have to worry about what format you're opening it up in. If you're playing it on a Mac or on a Windows computer, VLC supports all. It supports all operating systems. It supports all video files. So once again, if you're looking for a better media player alternative to the standard Apple and Windows media players, VLC, it's an awesome, awesome application. And the best part, it's free. All right, guys, another tip of the day. Have a good night.